Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today in this video we'll talk about the Set General 2021. I know all you are worried about the current scenario and even more worried about your preparation. So guys, don't worry about the preparations. In this video we'll talk about all the important dates and also we'll discuss about the boosters which will definitely boost your preparations. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video. So before moving further, Manual launches the last crash course batch which will be start from the May mid, and it has capacity of only 50 seats. And here you will get the live interaction, you will get access for the ebooks, you will learn various shortcut tricks, all your doubts are solved in the live classes, you will get access for the recorded videos, topic test, and also the mock test. There will be a separate WhatsApp group, and throughout this process you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. You will also get the mentorship by our mentors. So guys, if you are preparing for the Set General 2021 and even for all BBA entrance exams as all these listed, guys, book your seat now. Call on 8228581455 or visit manualdu.com/BBA entrance. So what exactly the admission process and the important dates with respect to the Set General? So let's move to the official website first. So here we are on official website set-test.org. Now if you want to register yourself, you have to come at same platform. Just click on apply now. Now let's come to the overview section. Here you will find all the details about the selection process and the admission process. Test structure, how many questions are asked in particular test, okay, what are the components, how to register, all the important dates, what are the test cities, eligibility criteria, and all the instructions about the admit card. Okay guys, so just click on the overview section here. If you want to pursue these all programs, the BLLB, BBLLB, economics, liberal arts or BTech programs offered by the Symbiosis Institute, then you have to appear for the common mandatory computer based test, and that is the SLAT, SET and SIT EEE. Now we will talk about the Set General. So Set General for Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research to pursue BCA and BBAIT. Same for the Media and Communication, Economics, Liberal Arts and Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, Pune, Noida and Nagpur, where you can pursue the BBA program. Now what exactly the selection process says: shortlisting for personal interaction and writing ability test, that is PI or VAT, or the studio test and personal interaction, that is STPI. So for SET and SLAT 2021, the written ability test is the part of the entrance test, and it is very mandatory guys. You have to give the VAT, PI or the STPI. Now what exactly the weightage for the VAT and PI or STPI? Okay, if you are preparing for SLAT, then these all are the weightage. Now if you are looking for SAT, then entrance test score scale down to 50 marks. Then your PI will have the 30% weightage and VAT will have 20% weightage. Now for SCMS Noida, if you want to pursue BBA from Noida or from Nagpur, then 50% weightage for the entrance test, 35% for PI and 15% weightage for VAT. Rest, these all parameters are same for the School of Economics, for Liberal Arts and to pursue BBIT. Now if you want to enter into the SCMC, that is Symbiosis Center for Media and Communication, then also you have to appear for the SET. Now here 30% weightage will be given for the entrance test, 30% for PI, 10% for VAT, 10% for studio test and 20% for your academic profile. Okay guys, so these all are the selection process criterias. Just go through it. Now we'll talk about the test structure. Okay, now the test is reduced to the 75 marks. Okay, now general English 20 marks, quantitative aptitude 20, general awareness 20, analytical and logical reasoning 15 marks. Overall 75 questions are there for 75 marks, and it also includes the VAT. Now the mode of exam will be the computer based test, that is CBT mode. Okay, duration of each test is 105 minutes, 75 minutes for MCQs followed by 30 minutes for VAT. Now very important one, there is no negative marking for the wrong answers. That is the good news. All sections are mandatory. VAT for SLAT and SET will be evaluated by the respective institutes, and VAT score will not be declared along with your SET or SLAT scorecard. So SET और SLAT का स्कोर कार्ड आपका बिल्कुल अलग होगा, देन VAT का स्कोर भी आपका अलग होगा. VAT को एक सर्टन वेटेज दिया गया, आइदर 20% और 15%, जो भी आप रिस्पेक्टिव इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हो. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट द इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Registration process till 4th of June. Yet you have not registered yourself, guys, this is the website. Just visit at set-test.org. Admit card, yes, आपको इसी वेबसाइट पर विजिट करना है. You can download your admit card from 14 June to the 27th of June. Entrance test date 27th June. entrance test time 9:30 am to 11:15 am for SLAT and SET engineering, and SET के लिए जो टाइमिंग है that is from 2:30 pm to the 4:15 pm, and result will be out on the 8th of July. Guys, all dates are fixed now, but you are well aware about the current scenario. हो सकता है कि ये सारी dates change भी हो जाए, so be connected with our YouTube channel to get the latest update with respect to all BBA entrance exams. If you wanna choose a particular test cities, just click here. You can see all the cities and you can choose the respective one for your entrance exam. If you wanna know about the eligibility criteria, just click here. Admit card instructions, then click here. So guys, to carry out your preparation, how much you should travel, let's talk about it. So guys, to prepare 100% for the respective exams, you have to travel certain distance. And how much? You should start first. You should think about this, how you should travel. So first one, you have to analyze yourself. Do analysis by giving the mock test. Once you will give the mock test, you will get overall analysis at which particular stage you are. Then start the planning part. Plan, prepare and hit the bullseye. Try for each. Do again and keep on doing. Give the number of mock tests and start evaluating yourself. Then again move to the preparation part. And finally you will get the success at your dream institute, either Pune, Noida or in a Nagpur. So guys, if you wanna boost your preparations, come to the manuedu.com, then on buy online section, BBA entrance. These all are the respective programs, full course, book study materials, mock test and the sectional wise courses. So just click on full course show package. These all are the respective BBA entrance packages. Here it is, the SET General Symbiosis 2021, the video lectures plus mock test plus handouts. Just click on view details. You will get 281 video lectures for it, 93 handouts for the practice purpose and 15 mock tests. Lot of data which is 100% compatible with the syllabus. Now if you want to study materials, just click on book study materials, show packages. You can order the set of 5 books. Once ordered, it will be delivered within 7 working days at your home. The respective books are the quantitative aptitude separate for English, reasoning, data interpretation and separate for general studies. If you want to enroll for the ebooks, you can enroll here. Just add to cart. If you want to evaluate yourself, then click on the mock test. Guys, mock test is very important. You can choose the respective mock test. You will get the 15 full-length mock tests for your SET general preparations. If you are lacking in any particular section, then you can enroll for the sectional wise courses. These all are separate for English, separate for logical reasoning, separate for quantitative aptitude, separate for GK and current affairs, critical or verbal reasoning, and separate for DI, DS and DC. And you can also enroll for the GK booster, where you will get 3000 plus questions on the basis of static GK, current affairs and business GK. So guys, this is all from the today's video. Don't worry about the current scenario, just focus only on your preparation, because your preparations will make your career. So contact us on our respective numbers. You can visit our website for all exam updates and the notifications. Follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, or you can join our Telegram group. All links are mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description. So guys, this is all. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.